Hey guys, it's me, Risa. How you doing? So as I was starting to make my salad for this week, I thought, you know what? I'm going to teach you guys how to build an easy, versatile, quick, delicious salad that I've made to lose 141 pounds. Now I've lost 35 on Gina Livy's program, and the rest on my own and other programs that I'd kept off for years. It takes time, discipline, perseverance, and hard work. But one of the things that has always kept me on track is meal prepping and being ready for work or the weekend or when I'm off, having salads or whatever else you're having with it prepped. So I've already made one salad. This is just 5 ingredients, so easy. Again, you can make it like me or you can make it how you want. I always start off with some baby spinach or arugula. I didn't have arugula, so I'm using baby spinach or both. I like to add for my leafy greens. And I buy this broccoli slaw, which is great. Broccoli, carrots, and red cabbage. And it's already pre-made, easy peasy, right? And 3-color deli coleslaw, which has red cabbage, green cabbage, carrots, okay? And a good source of vitamin C, it says. Who knew? All right, so I already have one made for today because I just wanted it prepared and didn't know I was going to do a video. But I like to make about 3 salads for the week first, and then otherwise they can get kind of mushy and turn brown, and we don't like that. And then I make the rest for the rest of the week and for the weekend. So I've already just added a handful of spinach, and now I'm just going to take a handful of my broccoli mix and put that in. All right, just so easy. I love things that are easy, and when things are easy, then you're more likely to do it. So as you can see, I added it there. And now the coleslaw mix, which I've already done for today's salad. Again, just a big handful. Take what you like. And then you can decide if it's too much, if it's just enough. Once you start making it, you'll know what's good for you. I cut up some cucumber. I've already cut it up here. But when I have my salads, I keep them whole, all right? Because then when I'm actually eating it, that's when I cut it into chunks, so then it doesn't get mushy. That's another trick. And then I bought these really pretty tomatoes, Wild Wonders, again from Walmart. And I'm just going to add in a few. Makes it look so pretty. The nice, oops, I wanted the yellow one there. And it's so nice for presentation. We eat with our eyes, right? So that's what I'm going to do for my salads as well. Oops, I need another one. There we go. All right. So easy peasy, right? And I have my salad for today and the next 3 days. You can add some peppers. I'm actually using these for I'm roasting them. Actually, I'm grilling them, sorry, because they're kind of soft, but I usually add peppers too, sometimes some onion, whatever you want. And then you're going to add whatever protein. So I have this 6-bean blend or chickpeas, or you can add some feta or goat cheese or whatever cheese you like if you want. Any kind of meat, tofu that you like as well, because you can't just eat veggies, my friends. You need to have a protein, eggs, egg bites, quiches, whatever, omelet with, and pair that up. And you can have this for dinner or for lunch, or even this is a great snack option, right? So you want to get in your veggies because they're high in fiber. You'll have very good bowel movements. Maybe a bit too much information, but it's necessary when you're on your health journey. And then you can make whatever salad dressing or buy a salad dressing that you like. Even just oil and vinegar is delicious. Add a little mustard, shake it up, add some pepper and salt and some oregano. Easy peasy. I have lots on my YouTube channel. So I hope this was helpful for you guys to build your easy peasy salad. Okay? Enjoy. Let me know what you think. Don't forget, subscribe, share, and like my videos. All right. Bye for now.